It's a great day for a motovlog, and today I'm actually going to shoot an intro. So recently I just picked up a drone. Well, actually I got it for my birthday, but I got a drone and I've been flying it in the backyard. I am not the best drone flyer, but we are going to try. We're going to try to make an intro, get some aerial shots, do some follow me's maybe. I don't really know. I'm not really sure what I want. I have a loose idea of what I want, but we'll see if I can edit it to make the idea I have in my head a reality. I don't really know. So where we're going is it's like a civic center in town. I think the parish owns it. It's they do a lot of indoor motocross races there. They have they do a lot of the rodeos there. They got a bunch of different buildings. All the gun and knife shows in town are held at this place. So they got a huge big parking lot and a lot of space. So it should be easy to fly a drone without crashing, hopefully. The drone I actually ended up getting was it's called a Holy. It's made by Holy Stone. It's a 4K drone. It's got the follow me feature, GPS. It can come home. It's pretty cool, but like I said, I've only flown it probably a few times. I am not an expert drone flyer, so we will see if we can do this and get some cool shots. Another thing, if you haven't been following the channel, I just released a video, my second video this morning, so you should definitely go check that out. And I plan on releasing at least one video a week for now. It's going to be kind of tough with the way my work schedule works, but that's what I'm committing myself to, is one video a week. And if the channel keeps growing and more people want to see more, then I'll make more videos. It's just kind of the way it goes. But we probably got like a 10-15 minute ride to get to where we're going. Man, it is hot out here today. I got in the truck earlier to go get an SD card for my drone, and it said it was 100, and I believe it. It's really hot. There is some clouds in the sky, but they're not really doing much to cover the sun. I really can't wait until September, October. It'll really be feeling good out here. You know, mid 70s, low 70s. That's perfect riding weather to me. 60s too, in the mid 60s, upper 60s is good too. But I'm a cold-natured person, so any colder than that, and we got to start bundling up pretty heavy. I was gonna wait till later to go do this kind of when the sun's kind of lower. I think it gives a better shooting experience, I guess. But why not? We got time. It's Saturday, so we'll go over there. Hopefully this place is not busy. I don't know if they got an event going on over there today, but hopefully not. Hopefully we can kind of be left alone. It is big, so I'm sure even so we can find a place to where we're kind of off by ourselves. Oh man. Whew. It's rough. This light always takes forever. I got this backpack on me and I can already feel the sweat rolling down my back. It's just great. I should have brought some water with me. Because standing out in this heat with no shade is probably going to get pretty rough. So we might have to kind of rush to shoot this video and then just go to there's a gas station close. So hopefully we can just get a couple clips that we like and we'll go get some water. I do hope to have this video edited. I hope to have this intro in this next video I put out. So this video that you're watching now. So I recently just switched to Final Cut Pro. I talked about it a little in my last video, possibly switching to it. I really didn't want to because it was a lot of money. It's $300, and I probably should have stuck with CapCut for, like, you know, the first 10 videos or so. I'm not really sure, but I really just wasn't liking the functionality of it. So it was between Final Cut Pro and Premiere Pro as well, but I didn't really feel like paying another monthly subscription. I just kind of wanted to pay one price and be done with it and get to use it forever. Plus, I know that Mac always updates their software just as well as their computers, so I figured it's not a bad investment, because I can use it for years to come. So that's what I did. I don't know how many other people use it. I'm sure there's a lot of people that use it, but it's very complicated. It's not that it's overly complicated, it's just kind of bare. It doesn't have all the cool features. There's some of the cool features that CapCut has where you can add, you know, like stickers, and CapCut's just, it's more user-friendly. It really is. But it's not made for doing the type of editing I want to do in the future. It's heavily revolved around like TikTok and Instagram short videos. So I don't know, we'll see. I did purchase a creator package online today that gave me a bunch of transitions, a bunch of pre-made LUTs, a bunch of effects, a bunch of titles, and a bunch of generators. So we'll see. I need to go through them once I start editing this vlog, and we'll see how it goes. I don't know if I just wasted a whole bunch of money or it's gonna be good. I did look through some of them, and some of them look pretty cool, but you know, there's a bunch in there, so I'm sure some of them are kind of garbage. Look at this guy. He just pulled straight out in front of this truck. What's he doing? Now he's on the thing, on the side. Jeez, man, you could have waited a couple minutes. They have a middle lane. You really could have just sat in there and waited for us to pass. I hope this guy doesn't kill us. Stay where you're at, buddy. Thank you. Oh, man. This road right here gets crazy sometimes. In the afternoon, we have a lot of industrial plants around this area, and this town 15 years ago that I live in was a bunch of farm pastures, and that's about it. And now I think 250,000 people live in this town, and the road structure in this town just does not support the amount of people we have, and traffic gets really crazy over here. And then we have all these plants that are, you know, constantly expanding and all that, and so it brings more people into town that, you know, don't live here, but they're working here for 8-9 months out of the year, so it's just an influx. Not to mention, at the end of this road, they're putting in a whole new like community center. There's a grocery store, apartments, houses. It's just crazy. As if we didn't have enough people here already. they're gonna add more stuff for more people to move here. All right, well, we are almost at the place we're gonna try to put this drone up. It's actually right back over there. Also, I hope this is not a no-fly zone, because there is an airport not too far from where we are. So I don't really know. I didn't look on a map. Probably would have been good to do some research before I came all the way over here, but we'll see. We'll see. What's the worst that's going to happen anyway, you know? We'll see what happens. All right. Also, the sheriff department, their training facilities over here, so I hope they all get mad and come over here and try to mess with me because I'm flying a drone by myself. Man, they're building the hotels everywhere over here. See what I'm talking about? They're building hotels like every month. It seems like another hotel is going up in this area, just with the amount of work that we got going on out in this area. All right, well, we're almost here. We're gonna get this drone up. We're gonna try to get some shots, and we'll be back when we get these shots.
2 hours later.
Well, that did not go as planned. We are leaving the spot now. I was trying to get some drone footage. I kept having problems with the drone. I don't know if it's user error, but it just keeps disconnecting from the app. And it looks like it is fixing a storm, so we gotta go so we don't get wet. This is not fixing to be good. I did not see that the weather was going to be bad. When I looked at the weather earlier, it wasn't even showing rain. And now it's fixing to come down. We could be getting wet here, boys. And I am really thirsty. Oh no, and that's the way we're going too. Oh man, this isn't fixing to be good. Everything's fixing to get soaking wet, including me. But yeah, I think I got a couple good usable clips. I think at least enough for an intro, but we'll see. I gotta wait till I download them when I get home. But I was just having all kind of problems with it. Like I said, it kept disconnecting from the app. I would have to go up to it close to reconnect, which really didn't make sense because it should be able to go, you know, far. At one point I had it up at like 1,000 feet and a ways away from me, and it was fine, and then all of a sudden it just started disconnecting. So I don't really know. I don't know if it's a software problem or if I got a defective drone or what. I don't know. But if it continues to do it, I'm just gonna go get a DJI, because I know those are really good. Hopefully we can get out here, because it's always a pain in the butt. Also, I am looking for someone to make me some channel art. So I need a better logo. I'm sure some of you see my logo. I did have that made off of Fiverr, and I'm really not impressed with what was made. I thought it was what I was looking for at first, but I really don't like it after seeing it. So if anybody knows anybody that makes really good channel art, logos, stuff like that, put it down in the comments. Let me know. I know Fiverr is a huge resource for that, but man, it's so hard going on there looking for exactly what you have in mind. And that's my biggest problem with a lot of this, is I'm not the most creative person. and I have an idea in my head. It's just hard for me to explain that idea to other people and get it out there so they can recreate what I'm thinking. So that's my challenge. So if anybody knows a good resource on fiber, put their link down in the comment section. Let me know. I'll send some money their way. I really want to do this right, and I'm really looking for a good logo. Well, this might be it. This might be the episode we get drenched. I mean, look over there. It is, I don't know if the GoPro is doing it justice, but it is black over there. And I just hope that it holds off for like 10 more minutes so I can get home. I do not like getting wet. Do not like riding in the rain, and plus I got the GoPro, the drone that may or may not work, but I really don't want to deal with getting drenched today, even though it's about 100 degrees out here and I'm sweating profusely trying to get these shots. And I really wish this car would speed up for once, just please. I'll pay the ticket, just go, because I don't want to get wet. Oh my God, it looks terrible. Oh Jesus, I really don't think I hope the GoPro does this justice. I don't think it will, but I hope it does. There, I don't know what's been going on with the Apple weather app lately, but I kid you not, about an hour ago it told me it wasn't going to rain or drop all day, and look at this. I mean, how can you get that wrong? How can you be that wrong? Has anybody else been having that issue? I don't know if a lot of people use the Apple stock weather app, but I use it. I don't know why I use it, because it always lies to me. So if you know of a better weather app, let me know. Something I don't have to pay for. I don't want to pay for a weather app. That's crazy. It should be free. Man, I was hoping I could have stopped and got me a huge water. But I don't think I have time. I think I gotta go. I think that's a smart play here, is to go home. Definitely going the speed limit. Don't look at the speedometer. We're definitely going the speed limit here. We would not break the speed limit no matter what's going on, especially on this road right here. We wouldn't break it. Ooh, it doesn't look bad this way. But yeah, we're going to end it there. So I appreciate everybody. If you haven't seen my first two vlogs, go check those out. I would really appreciate the support. If you could smash that like button, leave a comment, give me some tips, suggestions. I'm going to get really heavy into editing here. Oh God, damn butterfly almost scared me. I'm going to get really heavy into editing here and learning how to edit and different things. It's going to be a process. It's not going to happen overnight. So hopefully you see that my content continues to get better, and because I am going to be putting a lot more time in it for you guys. So yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.